The sun shone brightly in the sky as the people of Payangan district, Bali, prepared for the Melasti ceremony. As the day progressed, people from various banjar started coming together, each with offerings and sacred objects to be purified. The offerings included flowers, fruits, and other symbolic items that are an integral part of the Hindu religion. The procession was accompanied by traditional music and the carrying of the Barong. The occasion, which typically takes place a few days before the Balinese New Year or Nyepi, is an essential purification ceremony in the Balinese Hindu calendar. However, in Payangan district, the ceremony is held on 5 April, 2 weeks after the Nyepi. The activity culminated in prayers and offerings at the Pura in the village of Melinggih. The Melasti ceremony is believed to bring blessings and good fortune to the community, and this belief was evident in the faces of the people as they left with a sense of joy and fulfillment.